Welcome back to Backroad Journals.
Welcome back, everyone.
Well, we're off to camp again. It's a beautiful day, and we're going to take you along with us.
Yes, it's going to be a fun one night trip. Yes, we had a lot of things to do over the week. So one night it is for today, and it's going to be on a beautiful lake.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll find a spot. And why don't you just all hop into the vehicle and we go.
We'll see you there.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, we just struck out at the very first spot that we wanted to go to.
Yeah.
So, on we move.
I guess so. It sucks because those people aren't even camping here.
Yeah. Anyways, let's go find another spot.
All right.
Well, it looks like it's going to be one of those days. It's a Monday.
That's not even summer.
No, it's not summer yet, and we just struck out. Again. It's site number 2. So, not really sure where we're going to go yet. So, we'll have to figure that out.
Yep.
We'll see you when we find a spot, I guess.
See you there.
Well, we don't always get lucky.
That's okay. This is nice. We have a little view of the lake.
Got a little view of the lake, and we're gonna hang out down there later on too.
Yeah.
Gonna just start a fire down there and everything.
Most likely. Yeah, I think that's what we should do.
Yeah. In the meantime, we're gonna set up and we're gonna catch up with you later.
See you in a bit. Oh yeah.
As long as we're level, we're good.
Perfect.
Excellent. And we're in the sun.
Yay!
All right. I think we're finally settled. And we're right in the sun. We're only here for one night, so we might as well pick the best spot. So, and we got it. Catch up with you later. I think it's time for a drink now. See you later.
So, quick update for what happened today. We did go to a few sites that we wanted to go to, but we did not luck out. So we ended up coming back here. We parked over there at that site for about 15 minutes, just deciding what we wanted to do. And then thought, okay, let's pitch up here. This is a good spot. You can kind of see the lake. We put up our tent, took everything out of the Jeep. Everything was set. We were set to stay here and camp. And the car that was in the spot we were in now, that we really wanted to, that's the spot we really wanted. As soon as we set up, they came back from their hike and off they went. So we had a decision to make. And I think we made the right one. It made for a long day, but we packed everything back up and got the spot we wanted. No!
They all stay. Don't do it. Lemming. Michelle's making dinner. I should start a fire then, eh?
Tonight on the menu is going to be boneless pork chops from our local butcher, R&R Meats. Excellent place to go to get your meat. Asparagus. I'm going to have that with a garlic, lemon zest, butter sauce. Got some rosemary for the pork chops. And then this was kind of a last minute thing, the Caesar salad dressing, Caesar salad mix. We stopped at the grocery store. We had to pick up some tin foil. And I saw this and just went, hey, let's have some Caesar salad on the side. So let's get to it. This pepper always comes out so quick. Garlic has to be on everything. Asparagus is going on. Parmesan cheese. I can sit off to the side while we cook the pork chops.
Nice.
You don't want to let that any longer.
No.
Yeah.
Froggies are going again.
Yeah, they are. They're singing.
That's looking good.
With Todd's Granny's, what is it? Todd's Granny's mustard. We got this at the market.
Yes, and it was very tasty. So we had to buy a jar.
Yeah. I'm just gonna have a little bit. It's pretty spicy. The one we got was pretty spicy.
Mm-hmm.
You want more?
Yeah, I'm gonna have a little bit more. That's a delicious meal. That looks really good. Mm-hmm. Anyways, on that note, we're gonna say goodnight for tonight, and we'll see you again tomorrow morning.
We'll see you in the morning.
Good morning, everyone. So that was a little bit of a different experience yesterday. Our GoPro somehow is not playing back the footage that we were filming. So we actually do not know if we've got all of that footage. At the time of me talking to you right now, we don't know. However, if you see me talking to you right now, then we do have the footage. So that worked out. So it was a bit of a weird situation. We had no idea the GoPro was recording. And every once in a while we double check the footage if it turned out. And it wasn't gonna play back. So I played with the settings a little bit. And yeah, couldn't figure it out. So I'm recording on the phone right now. Or we have yesterday. Been recording on our phones for the most part. So yeah, I can't believe how busy it was yesterday actually for a Monday, that we had to move around. Kind of crazy. we are not alone here. There is another couple here that have 5 dogs. And don't get me wrong, we absolutely love dogs. And I wish we would have a puppy again soon too, but man, they didn't shut up. They're constantly barking, 5 of them. And any little thing could trigger them. So yeah, that was a bit noisy. They also had the generator running pretty much all day. So yeah, that was a little bit of a different experience. Whatever, it's fine. We still made the best out of it. Michelle made a fantastic dinner last night. That was absolutely incredible. That was really, really good. Really enjoyed that. I think we're gonna now, well, make a coffee, have a fire, and I think we're gonna make some breakfast. And then slowly we might be packing back up. We wanted to come back out here because this might be the last time before the fall where it's relatively quiet here. And it's absolutely beautiful. I love it here. Anyways, gonna go back up, see what Michelle's up to, and we will catch up with you later.
Are we cooking breakfast?
Yeah, I'm making breakfast.
Yay!
Hash browns, eggs, cheese. Yeah, that's it. Pretty simple. Not as elaborate as your dinner last night.
That's okay.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So, as you can hear, it's still being pretty noisy around here. But that is for good reason. That's just the good people from, what's it, Sites and Rec and Trail or whatever? Yeah, Rex and Trails BC, they just blown leaves back here and they're cleaning up the wreck site, so that is very much appreciated. And just probably a good reminder that everyone should be cleaning up after themselves once they leave one of those beautiful spots here. Anyways, that's happening. I think next week we'll be back out in the bush, won't we?
Yeah.
It's a lot more quiet.
Turn around, it would have been more quiet in our backyard.
Yes, it would have been. Anyways, that's just part of it. So, still having a good time, still making breakfast. Catch up with you later. Right, what we're gonna do, gonna put some of our homemade hot sauce on it. Michelle actually made that from our chilies that grow in the garden. And she threw them over the barbecue and then made the hot sauce out of it. It's absolutely insane how good this is. So, Michelle actually filmed how she did that last year already. And if you're interested in watching it, let us know and we'll show you how we did it, how Michelle did it. It's super tasty.
All right, that concludes this weekend's adventures.
Yeah, that was certainly different.
Yeah, it was.
We still had a good time though. It's just, sometimes you gotta roll with the punches. So
Yeah.
there's already people lined up that want to get into this spot right now. So
Yeah, so off we go. And hopefully we'll see you next week with a quieter camp.
yes, that would be nice. So,
And hopefully all our equipment works. The drone should be back. That should have been delivered yesterday.
yes, that would be awesome.
Yeah.
I missed the drone on this trip because it's really beautiful to fly around out here. But yeah, hopefully it's going to be working again by next weekend. And we will see you there. Hopefully it's going to be nice and quiet, like Michelle said. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment.
And we'll see you next week.
See you next week. Bye guys.
Well, we we said it would be quieter in our backyard than it was at camp.
Not really.
Not really. The equipment continues.
See you next week.
See you next week.
Bye.